Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon to of all of the audience. The third International Russian Conference on Science, Engineering, and Technology. Today I will to present my work with entitled Micellar Electrokinetic Chromatography Method for Keterolak Analysis in Pharmaceutical Samples. I'm Dan Hermawan from Department of Chemistry, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, Jenderal Sudirman, Purwokerto, Indonesia. This is the introduction about the micellar electrokinetic chromatography or MEKC. MEKC introduced by Frog Trabe et al. In 1984. It is a hybrid technique combining electrophoresis and chromatography. MEKC is the powerful techniques to solve many chemical analysis problems using C instruments without any alteration. This is the principle of MEKC separation. The principle of separation in MEKC is based on solid partitioning between the micellar phase and the aqueous or solution phase. The technique provides a way to resolve neutral molecules as well as charged molecules by capillary electrophoresis. Component will be separated due to a distribution equilibrium between the micellar phase and the aqueous phase, both of which move at different velocities. Surfactants are added to the buffer solution above its critical micelle concentration or CMC, and micellar solution may solubilize hydrophobic compounds which otherwise would be insoluble in water. The C instrument is one of the separation methods suitable for routine application. It has some advantages such as high efficiency, fast analysis, inexpensive, use minimal organic solvent, and minimal waste generated. So this method is environmentally friendly. This is about the C instrument. The basic equipment. CE has two electrodes. The anode and the cathode, and then also the power supply. It has also using the capillary tube and also detector and the buffer. So the application of the CE method, such as the agrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, food industry, health and medical, forensic, and others. So in this research, we will develop the MEKC method for the determination of keterolak in pharmaceutical samples. Keterolak is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs or NSAID. It is primarily used for the treatment of postoperative pain, and it is the first NSAID approved for parenteral use. Keterolak is used for a variety of clinical indication, but is mainly administered for the management of post-operative pain. Keterolak has been used safely and actively in select pediatric population, but at present it is not recommended for the children under the 17. Several methods for determination of keterolak have been reported, such as spectroscopy methods, liquid chromatography method, and also capillary electrophoresis methods. So the chemical structure of keterolak, and then in this research, we have optimized the CE methods. Firstly, we optimize the concentration of the buffer. We use the Borat buffer pH 9.3. As can be seen in this figure, we optimize buffer concentration from 5 millimolar, 10 millimolar, and 15 millimolar. And result show that the 10 millimolar and 15 millimolar give the highest peak of keterolak. We continue to the optimization of the concentration of SDS, sodium uracil sulfate, as a surfactant. We use the 25, 30, and 35 millimolar of SDS. And the migration time of the ketorolac is not different in this tree of surfactant. And then we also optimize the applied voltage from 26 kilovolt, 28 kilovolt, and 30 kilovolt. And as can be seen in the figure, 30 kilovolt give the base condition, the rapid analysis of the ketorolac less than 5 minutes. So this is the application of the optimized MEKC method for the analysis of ketorolac and tablet sample. In this LT program, as can be seen in this figure, for the ketorolac standard, about the 5 minutes, and also the ketorolac and tablet sample, the migration time is also less than 5 minutes. So this is the result for the determination of ketorolac and tablet sample. The optimized MEKC method using 30 millimolar SDS, and then 10 millimolar borate buffer, pH 9.3, and 30 kilovolt applied voltage, has been simply applied for the determination of ketorolac and tablet sample. So the concluding remarks from this result: a micellar electron chromatography or MEKC method for quantitative determination of ketorolac, a non-sterile anti-inflammatory drugs in tablet, has been developed. The optimized MEKC method using 30 millimolar SDS, 10 millimolar borate buffer, 9.3 pH, and 30 kilovolt applied voltage has been successfully applied for determination of ketorolac and tablet sample with analysis time less than 5 minutes. And then the average recovery of ketorolac and tablet sample was 97.56%. And then the last, the present MEKC method was simple, short analysis time, high accuracy, and environmentally friendly. So we would like to thank to the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research, and Technology of Indonesia for the research funding through the World Class Research 2021, and also our home institution, Universitas Jenderal Sudirman Indonesia, for the basic research grant 2021. And then the last one is we would like to thank to the Technology Malaysia, UTM Malaysia, for give us the chance for the use the CE instrument in the UTM. So thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.